Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a real quick video showing you that over there on the back. And they are here. This is the right fender. I do have both fenders. They are extremely high quality. Let me turn it around so that you can see it. Now we got no issues with continuing with the car. There you go. They're extremely heavy, so very good material. I believe these came from Auto Metal Direct, if I'm not mistaken, but they are really nice quality fenders. So there it is. Let me bring one of the doors. The doors are also extremely heavy, but the original doors, they're extremely heavy also. So let me bring one of the doors, set it up so you can see it. Now here's one of the doors. Now it has these little marks right here, but it's not dented. It is just I guess scraped from the packaging, but there is no dent. So nice. Now we are good to go with installing them. I'm gonna put all the mechanism for the door handles and the latches, and also the hinges, so we can start assembling them. The only difference is that this one does not have the holes for the trim that goes right in the middle. I'm gonna have to recreate it. And this is the back of the door. Nicely made, very nice. I believe either they were from Auto Metal Direct or from Summit Racing. I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure the owner of the car is going to leave it on the comment below as to where he got them from, because these are nice. I am going to be painting them through the inside and in here also, so that we know that it's protected. Everything's going to be epoxy primered and primered, and we are going to paint them. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna mock everything up, making sure that the doors fit perfectly. I don't need to do any adjustments. Usually when you buy aftermarket parts, you do have to do some kind of adjustment, either with body filler or cutting. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna need it, but I rather just do the mock-up, which is the way you're supposed to do it. Now the other doors on the bottom here, they were a bit rusted, which I'm glad he went with brand new ones. You saw the amount of body filler that the fenders and door had, so this is the best way to go. So there it is, guys, a real quick overview on the new doors and brand new fenders. So now we can get started doing the mock-up, installing doors, installing fenders. That'll be in the next video. I'm going to transfer everything to the doors, all the mechanism that's on the other one, transfer them to the new doors, so that we can start mocking everything up and just making sure that it's in the right place, that they're going to fit perfect. Then we can remove them and we can start painting. I need to block sand all that area and start painting. That way I can start sanding all this, start painting the dashboard, the cowl area, and we can go from there. This is gonna be it for this video, guys. Just a real quick overview on the doors and fenders. This is gonna be it for this video. Next video is gonna be the mock-up. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna mock everything up, how I'm gonna be aligning everything with the new parts and getting them ready for paint. First of all, I'm gonna start getting them ready for epoxy primer, but all in all, that's gonna be in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys follow the channel so you can see this Trans Am build. Also, hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. And like always, stay safe and God bless.